Have you ever wondered what superfood does? Every health enthusiast and influencers talk about it. But what is it and what does it do? A superfood is not an official scientific classification, but rather a popular marketing term for foods exceptionally rich in nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, or healthy fats. Truth is, no single food can magically make you healthy. According to nutrition researchers, there are a handful of foods packed with nutrients that genuinely support your body. Today, we are looking at 10 superfoods that actually deserve their reputation, along with one important thing you should know before adding each one to your diet. Sea moss is naturally rich in minerals like iodine, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Iodine is especially important because your thyroid uses it to produce hormones that regulate metabolism. Sea moss also contains soluble fiber that may support gut health. But too much iodine can actually disrupt thyroid function, especially if you already have a thyroid condition. And because sea moss absorbs minerals from seawater, buy it only from trusted sources that test for heavy metals. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, the compounds that give them the deep blue color. Research suggests they may help protect brain cells, support heart health, and reduce inflammation. They are also surprisingly high in fiber. Keep in mind, fresh and frozen blueberries are both excellent choices. Be careful not to wash them as the waxy coating on them is their protective shield. Blueberry flavored snacks usually contain very little real fruit and lots of added sugar. Salmon is one of the richest natural sources of omega 3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support heart health, brain function, and may help reduce inflammation. Salmon is also packed with high quality protein and vitamin D. But only choose salmon from reputable sources. And if you're pregnant or feeding young children, follow your country's recommendations on seafood because some fish contain higher levels of mercury. Salmon is generally considered one of the lower mercury choices. There is a common myth of eggs increasing cholesterol. It's true, but it increases the good cholesterol. Besides that, it provides complete protein, vitamin B12, choline for brain function, and nutrients that support eye health. They are one of the most nutrient dense food you can eat. Just avoid eating raw or undercooked eggs because they may carry harmful bacteria like salmonella. Cooking them properly makes them much safer. Garlic isn't just a flavor booster. When crushed or chopped, it produces a compound called allicin. Allicin has been linked to antimicrobial properties and may support heart health by helping maintain healthy blood pressure. A pro tip: after chopping garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This gives allicin time to form. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K along with folate, iron, and antioxidants. It's great for eye health, immunity, and overall nutrition. But spinach is also high in oxalates. These compounds can reduce calcium absorption and may contribute to kidney stones in people who are susceptible. Cooking spinach reduces some of its oxalate content. Next up, sweet potatoes. These are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Because they are high in fiber, they can also help keep you full longer. One thing to watch: skip the versions loaded with sugar, marshmallows, or excessive butter. The healthiest benefits come from the sweet potato itself. Greek yogurt is high in protein and often contains probiotics that support gut health. It also provides calcium for healthy bones. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt usually contains more protein and less sugar. Before buying, read the label. Many flavored versions contain surprisingly large amounts of added sugar. Plain Greek yogurt is usually the healthier option. Extra virgin olive oil is a key part of the Mediterranean diet. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and plant compounds called polyphenols. Studies consistently link it to better heart health. One important tip: choose extra virgin olive oil whenever possible. Store it away from heat and light because both can reduce its quality over time. Avocados are famous for their healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats support heart health and help your body absorb fat soluble vitamins. Avocados also contain fiber and potassium. Just remember, they are nutrient rich but also calorie dense. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet instead of treating them as an unlimited snack. The real secret to good health isn't finding one magical superfood. It's building a diet filled with a variety of nutrient rich foods that work together. Which of these superfoods do you eat most often? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed learning the science behind everyday foods, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more food science and nutrition content. See you in the next one.